We're having breakfast with the bank that has been driving Zambia's growth for over 60 years. And part of supporting what Zambia stands for and believes in involves helping people get to address the different challenges that it could be facing. And right now we know that the energy situation is not quite desirable for many. But people have been wise enough to not just complain, but get to move with the times and create solutions for themselves, for their businesses. And one of those solutions is, going solar, which has also been encouraged by the government. And Stanbic Bank is helping you in addressing that particular challenge. And this is something we'll be talking about this morning with our guest, who is Mweembe Simachenya. He's a commercial asset finance business manager at Stanbic Bank. Good morning and welcome to the Phoenix Breakfast.
Good morning, Chimweka, and good morning, listeners.
Let's get straight into it. Let's get to understand more about commercial asset finance, because I know that you have this at Stanbic Bank. If I'm not mistaken, previously this was the vehicle and asset finance. Just tell us more about this.
Okay. Thank you. So, Mweembe Simachenya, commercial asset finance business manager at Stanbic Bank. So, briefly, commercial asset finance, formerly called the vehicle and asset finance. This is a unit in the bank that does finance movable assets. So, these movable assets are in different categories. So, we've got the private vehicles, yellow metals. These are machines that are used in construction and mining. Then we've got the green metals. Obviously, these are used in agriculture. Plant equipments used in production and other industries. Then we've got the I-finance. Then lately we are financing, obviously, what's more relevant during this time, which is a solution called the alternative energy proposition. Yeah.
All right. So now maybe you can tell us on how commercial asset finance works.
Okay. So on commercial asset finance, obviously, we're talking about a solution that does finance an asset. So here, a customer will come and obviously request for financing for different assets, like I put them in different categories, and customer is made to pay over time whilst they're using this asset. So then how it operates, or how this commercial asset finance unit operates, a customer will go, we've got different approved suppliers as a bank.
Okay.
So a customer will go get a quotation through our vetted suppliers. Once they get this quotation, depending on the asset that they're looking for, they'll bring to the bank, an assessment is done. Once approvals are done, an asset is delivered, and the customer gets an opportunity to use this asset whilst they are paying with time.
So there's the convenience of the overtime there as well.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's get now into, I think, what a lot of people will be interested in also, in addition to the commercial asset financing, and that's with the solar financing. Quite a relevant conversation, which would definitely interest many. Tell us more about this and how it works with Stanbic Bank regarding solar financing.
Okay, thank you. So here, with an effort to mitigate the impact of load management that is currently prevailing in the country, obviously due to the droughts that we experienced, Stanbic has come with a product called Solar Finance, or Alternative Energy Solution. So in this solution, the bank, which Stanbic Bank, is actually going to finance the entire hardware. So from the hardware, talking about the inverters, the batteries, and the panels and other accessories. So together with the installation cost. So the bank will cover that. Then these systems obviously will range from household to commercial business systems. So then we cover all range of products. So our vetted suppliers will actually provide you with every solution that you desire as a customer, depending on the size of the business. So it can be small businesses, big, large corporates, and obviously to the small household.
Right. Now, when we talk about solar finance, who can get solar finance and what is the criteria?
Thanks, Hope. So, for solar finance, this solution is available, obviously, starting from individuals, small businesses, and as well as large corporates. And this solution is available to our existing customers who can easily walk and get a quote from any of our approved suppliers. And it also gives an opportunity to our potential customers to get on board and enjoy this amazing solution. Yeah.
And also, when we talk about the benefits, maybe can you highlight some of the benefits of solar financing?
Okay. So there are several benefits, obviously, that come with this solution. Number one, obviously, the bank has partnered with reputable solar suppliers.
Which is very key there.
Yeah. Reputable suppliers who install, they will provide even the after-sales support that a customer may need. Then, obviously, the bank allows flexible payment terms. So these will be aligned to a customer's cash flow or income. So if you're a salaried employee and you want to get for your household, obviously your payment terms will be aligned to your income, which gives you at least some room to pay. Then there's that flexibility. Then we're also talking about security. So you don't need to bring any additional security to the bank or any collateral. The asset itself that you purchase acts as security. So there is no extra collateral at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
I did mention, if you have any question for Mr. Simachenya, you can feel free to send a message to us. You can give us a call, 0978-895-895-226-841. He's joining us this morning is the Commercial Asset Finance Business Manager at Stanbic Bank. We'll receive a message via our WhatsApp line here, and hopefully you can respond to that. Noah is asking, good morning, can Stanbic Bank finance an SME wanting to put up a solar field which can supply to the national grid?
Yes, that's a good question. So obviously, like we say, Zambia is our home and we drive her growth. So Stanbic is actually very much happy and willing to actually go ahead and look at such. Otherwise, we want to go in and assist our businesses so they don't face any challenges with the power outages. Yeah, currently being incurred.
Okay, let's taking this call as well. Okay, seem to have lost the call. But just before we go, if you could try again, 0978-895-895-226-841. If you have any question regarding solar financing, commercial asset financing as well, you can come through and make that question this morning while our guest is still here, Mr. Mweembe Simachenya. Let's try this call again. Good morning.
Good
morning.
Good morning. My name is Timothy.
Good morning, Timothy.
I am an SME. I'm interested in the solar system. Now I'm with a different bank, not with Stanbic. My question is, how long should one save with Stanbic for him or her to qualify to get the solar system purchase?
All right. Thank you so much, Timothy.
Welcome.
You can just respond to Timothy.
Thank you, Timothy. So for individuals, obviously, all we need to see is that you open an account with Stanbic. We see that your income starts coming through to Stanbic. At that point, we are ready to actually go ahead and assist you. Then for businesses, we want to assess and see that you open an account with Stanbic and we start seeing those transactions, because obviously that gives us comfort in terms of repayments as we offer you this solution. So basically for individuals, in summary, we need to have your account with Stanbic and see that your income starts coming through. 1 month income is enough for us to actually proceed. Then for businesses, just a few transactions, then we are good to go.
Okay. Mlenga also asked a question, do you only give solar solutions to people with accounts with you? I guess maybe it's related to Timothy's question, right?
Yeah.
And last one here, I don't know if it's the same Timothy, but it asks, what determines the ceiling of their financing for any asset?
So obviously the ceiling, we've got what we call debt service ratio. So we're not going to give you a system that is going to overstretch your repayments. So these systems, so if your income is, we're not going to exceed 50% in terms of repayments for your income. So your income will actually determine the system that you can access.
All right, so as we're winding up, anything else that you'd like to add on?
Okay, so obviously for all those that are running businesses, be it small, big corporates, and on individual basis, do not let your current power outages disrupt your businesses. So you can acquire a solar finance through Stanbic at affordable terms, and feel free to reach out to any of our branches, and details will be given to you about this offer, obviously painlessly and easy on your pocket.
All right. I can see some more messages are coming through, more questions, but I guess if people have any further queries, they can obviously get in touch with yourselves,
yes,
isn't it?
Absolutely, Chimweka.
All right. Mr. Simachenya, thank you so much for joining us this morning on the Phoenix Breakfast.
Thank you so much, Mweka, and thanks, Hope.
All right, we've been talking to Mr. Mweembe Simachenya, who is a commercial asset finance business manager at Stanbic Bank, as we've been having breakfast with Stanbic this morning.